Oh, nag-una.
Then get the patient is back. Then I'm going to get the towel. Then put the belt.
Rub with back fingers. Rub with back fingers. Rub each.
Then get the shoes of the patient. Right. Uh, then hold.
Other side.
Then twist the patient. So going up, going. Then 1, 2, 3 up. Then first the weak leg to sit the bed. Then support the strong arm to the side. Then get the then get the shoes. Then put the weak leg to the strong leg. Then get the belt.
Rubs the palm in a circular motion to the other side.
Then
Rub each parts. Rub this way.
back the patient to supine. A comfortable position. Then lower the
Hands, hand, put the other
lower the bed. Then cover. Then put the patient to comfortable position. Then now I'm done. I'm going to get the vital sign. Then documents. Then now I'm done. Transfer patient from bed to wheelchair. Vice versa.